Are you tired of underwhelming steak sears? Look no further. Our in-depth analysis reveals the best pans for searing steak. Let's dive into the world of cookware. When searing steak, achieving that perfect crust is crucial. The Lodge 12-inch cast iron skillet stands out as the best choice. It excels at raw thermal mass and creates maximum crust. But if you need a speedy response, the All-Clad D3 stainless steel 12-inch fry pan is your top technical option. It features an aluminum core for quick heat transfer. The science behind searing is fascinating. The Maillard reaction occurs between amino acids and sugars, requiring surface temperatures between 285 degrees Fahrenheit and 330 degrees Fahrenheit. A good pan holds enough heat to prevent drops when a cold steak is added. Let's compare materials. The Lodge skillet is dense, weighing 3.6 kilograms with a heat capacity of about 0.46 J/C. This mass acts as a thermal battery. In contrast, a standard 3-ply stainless steel pan is lighter and holds less heat. The All-Clad D3 utilizes a 3-ply construction with an aluminum core. This design allows it to redistribute heat quickly. However, it does not store energy like cast iron. Now, what about carbon steel? The made-in 12-inch model offers a balance between cast iron and stainless steel. Its smoother surface means a better oil film, crucial for the Maillard reaction to eliminate steam pockets. In our tests, we heated each pan to a steady 450 degrees Fahrenheit. When we added a 16 ounces New York strip steak, the Lodge dropped to only 395 degrees Fahrenheit, recovering quickly in 18 seconds. The All-Clad dropped to 310 degrees Fahrenheit but took 52 seconds to recover. The made-in carbon steel dropped to 345 degrees Fahrenheit, recovering in 34 seconds. This shows the Lodge's superior heat retention. Emissivity is another factor. Cast iron emits heat more effectively than polished stainless steel, enhancing the searing process. We also assessed the pan's resistance to warping. The Lodge showed minimal deflection. In contrast, the carbon steel bowed under high heat, making temperature control vital. When comparing these pans, the Lodge stands out for thermal storage, recovery speed, and emissivity. Yet, for users seeking lighter options, the made-in carbon steel gives significant performance at a lower weight. Our laboratory utilized advanced tools to measure these factors. A FLIR camera analyzed radiant heat patterns, and precision thermocouples recorded temperatures. To sum up, for optimal searing, the Lodge cast iron skillet is unrivaled in performance. However, consider the All-Clad or made-in carbon steel if you prioritize speed or weight. Now it's your turn. Choose the pan that fits your cooking style and elevate your steak game today.